Hello everyone and welcome to Brand New Vegan, where today we're making one of my favorite soups. So simple, so easy, simple ingredients, lots of veggies, creamy, warm. You're going to love it on a cold winter day. It's my cheesy vegan broccoli cauliflower soup. I know that's a mouthful to say, but you're going to love the way it tastes. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to need about a half a cup of onion. And because we do not use oil, we're going to turn on the heat, dry onions, and we're going to add just a little splash of low sodium vegetable broth. Just enough to wet the bottom. We'll let that simmer till they get kind of soft, translucent. And you could use water too. It doesn't have to be broth. And then we're going to add a couple cloves of garlic. Let that soften up a little bit, about 30 seconds. Then we're going to add a cup of water. Now the rest of the liquid in this is all veggie broth. If you want to play with the ratios, more water, less veggie broth, cut down on the salt, it's up to you. That's fine. So here we go. We're going to add about a head of cauliflower. 3 cups, 2-pound head, something like that. Raw cauliflower. We're going to add an entire carrot. No, I did not peel it. I did wash it. Same with the potato. I washed it, didn't peel it. You can do whatever. And there's the veggie broth. We're going to add 4 cups. Now, like I said, if that seems like a lot of salt, even though it is low sodium, simply add more water and less veggie broth. We need about 5 cups of liquid total. Now we're going to bring this up to high heat. And when it starts boiling, we're going to turn the heat back down. Let it simmer, and we're going to put the lid on it. And we're going to cook that, 15, 20 minutes or so until the cauliflower is nice and tender. So here we go. We take the lid off, and I'm just going to poke around on the cauliflower a little bit, make sure it's soft, make sure I can kind of break them apart pretty easy. Because the next thing we're going to do is we're going to blend this. Now, if you have a stick blender like I do, it's easy. If you don't, you can use your regular blender. I'll just take a couple of trips back and forth to the blender. But we want it to be nice and smooth, just like this. Nice and creamy and smooth. Now we're going to add a little bit of seasoning. A little bit of just regular table mustard, yellow table mustard. A little bit of lemon juice. These are basically the cheese spices from my cheese sauce. A little bit of apple cider vinegar, and I'll have all the exact ingredients and amounts on my website, by the way. And now we're going to sprinkle on a little bit of mixture of nutritional yeast, onion powder, turmeric, and garlic powder. And then we're going to mix this all up. Let it cook down a little bit longer, and it'll reduce, it'll thicken up as it cooks down. That stick blender is so handy. If you don't have one, let me just say I use mine a lot. Simple to clean too. It comes apart from the motor and you can just wash it underneath the sink, or I think they're dishwasher safe too. Give that a little stir. Nice and creamy. The potato really helps to thicken this up. A little bit of pepper. A couple pinches of salt. And adjust it to your own taste right here, till you like it. Add more nutritional yeast if you like it really cheesy. I think I got a 1/4 cup in there myself. And then I have a couple bags of frozen veggies that I steamed up in the microwave. That's the cauliflower broccoli, and the other one's just plain broccoli. They're steam fresh. They have no sauce. It's just plain veggies. So there's no sodium, there's no fat, there's no oil. And I think they're 10-ounce bags. Pop in the microwave for like 5 or 6 minutes each. And then just dump them in your soup. And there you go. It's that simple. You can put this on a baked potato. You can put this on your rice. You can eat it as is with a soup. You can pour it over pasta. However you like your cheese and broccoli. And like I said, it's all simple, home, whole food ingredients. Nothing processed. Anyway, that's it. Hope you liked the video, and if you do, give me a thumbs up, subscribe. We'll see you next week. This is Chuck Underwood from Brand New Vegan.